In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho CRM for sales teams. Start by heading to the Zoho CRM homepage. This is your command center where you'll see high-level widgets, recent records, and quick links. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace and that you can see the top navigation bar. That's how we'll move through the core sales modules. Next, open the Leads module. Leads is where unqualified prospects live before they're ready for your pipeline. You'll see list views, filters, and columns that can be customized later to match your sales process. Using clear naming and consistent lead sources here pays off in reporting down the line. Choose the option to create a lead. This opens the lead form where you can capture prospect details like company, role, and how they found you. Required fields are usually marked so reps know what's essential. Keep the form concise and aligned with your qualification criteria so your team can move quickly without sacrificing data quality. Open the newly created lead record by clicking its name. Inside the record, you'll find the timeline for activities, space for notes, and related lists for emails, calls, and attachments. This is the hub for all context about the prospect. Keeping interactions logged here helps everyone on the team stay aligned and ensures smooth handoffs. When the prospect is qualified, use the convert option. Conversion in Zoho CRM turns a lead into a contact, links it to an account, and if you choose, creates a deal in your pipeline. This is also where ownership and duplicate checks are handled, which helps maintain clean data and prevents record overlap. Head into deals to focus on your opportunity pipeline. You can view stages in a Kanban layout, which makes it easy to track progress and identify bottlenecks. Pipeline values, expected close dates, and stage definitions should reflect your actual sales process, so forecasting is accurate and consistent. Open the analytics view to see built-in charts and summaries for deals. Filter by date ranges or owner to understand which activities drive movement and where deals stall. These insights are great for weekly sales reviews and for coaching your team on next actions. Click the Setup gear to access global settings. This is where you manage roles, profiles, fields, and other configuration options, keeping your CRM structured and secure for the team. Finally, go to Workflow Rules under Module Automation. This is where you can automate routine follow-ups, assignments, and notifications when records are created or updated. Clear naming and simple triggers help keep automations reliable as your process scales. That's the core flow to get Zoho CRM ready for a sales team, organized, trackable, and set up for momentum.